Hey, we are back. Wing Wars coming up. Cricket Vogel is here. David Owens. Now, David, besides all the wings, stuff with boudin, amazing. You're going to have a talent contest. Explain this to us.
Absolutely. So we were trying to figure out a way to be able to involve young people or teenagers in our fundraising opportunities, but we were trying to make sure that we had some type of entertainment factor to it. So we created the Hub City Stars event, if you will, to coincide with our entertainment needs for Wing Wars of Acadiana, and it's just been unbelievable. We have amazing talent that's local to us performing that day. So we're so excited about it.
Cricket Vogel.
Hi.
She has a 1969 Ovation. This is a very cool guitar. I used to play an Ovation. Not as good as Cricket, of course. Cricket, what are you going to play this morning?
Wondering, I wrote it.
Ah, an original song. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get out of the way. Cricket Vogel, take it away.